Hello, in this video we will practice second example of bar graph. Program to write a Python program to display employee ID numbers on x-axis and their salaries on y-axis in the form of bar graph for two departments of a company. Okay, so there are two data given here, sales department data and production department data. In sales department we have employee IDs and salaries. X is the employee IDs and Y is the salaries. In production department here x1 is employee IDs and y1 is salaries. Here the task is we have to find, after drawing the bar graph, we have to find which department drawing more salaries. Okay, which department drawing more salaries. So for this we have to take this input data here and store this. Okay, this is sales department data and the production department data. To draw the bar graph we have to import this package Matplotlib-Python as plot alias name. So through plot is the bar function is there, we have to use that to draw bar graph. Okay, bar, in bar graph we have to, if you want to draw the sales department graph, use the x comma y. X comma y means here sales side employee IDs and y are the salaries of the sales department. Okay, x comma y comma, if you want to display data on the bar graph you have to use label here. Okay, if you want to display sales department on a bar graph like a text, so you have to use this label. Okay, and comma, if you want to give some color, use color here, parameter color green, give some green or red. I'm giving red here. Okay, red, right? This is the sales department bar graph, right? And if you want to draw the production department bar graph, use another bar graph function and pass the x1 and y1 values. Okay, pass the x1 are the employee IDs and y1 is the salaries of the production department, and give and text label. Okay, label means displaying text in bar graph, this whatever writing in your label, production department, and give some color. Color is equal to red or whatever, green give. Okay, green, right? And right, if you want to see the graph, just use plot.show function. To display bar graph you have to use show function here. Okay, this plot is a package of this Matplotlib-Python alias name plot plt, right? If you want to display employee IDs on the x-axis, you have to use xlabel function. Plot.xlabel, right? Employee IDs, emp IDs or whatever, emp IDs, observe here. Okay, right, we given this one here. See, employee IDs. So if you want to display employee salaries on the y-axis, you have to write, you are writing ylabel function, ylabel employee sales, right? Salaries here. Okay, employee sales. If you want to display labels, this sales department, production department in the top of the bar graph, you have to use legend function. Okay, legend function displays the bar graph data. If you want to display the data about the graph, you have to use this legend function, legend. Okay, just execute it. See, sales department, production department. Okay, so after drawing the bar graph, red color is the sales department and green color is the production department, employee IDs and salaries here, y-axis and salaries. So after seeing this bar graph we can conclude that sales department drawing more salary than the production department. Okay, sales department drawing more salaries than the production department. So like this we can use this bar graph. Bar graph we use it to compare the quantities. Okay, compare the categorical values, so you can find which is the highest and which is the lowest one by drawing the bar graph. To draw the bar graph we have to use the bar function on the matplot package. Okay, matplotlib-Python package, there is a bar function is there. So with that bar function you can draw the bar graph. Okay, and you have to pass the x label and y label. X label means here IDs and y is salaries here. Okay, so that's about the bar graph. In the next video we will see the histogram. Okay, histogram, we'll draw the histogram in next video.